In this lesson, we're gonna integrate Firebase inside React Native iOS app. First, don't forget to run this command to install the package, since we've installed it in previous lesson when we add it inside Android, so no need to add it. But if you didn't install it before, you need to install it using yarn or npm. Just add this command, yarn add React Native Firebase app, okay? And then let's go and handle our iOS setup. First, we need to generate iOS credentials. We need to go to Firebase console and create iOS application, as we've done in Android before. So let's close this. Let's press on add app here. We've added before Shady Android. Let's press on add app here. And this time we're gonna press on iOS, not Android. So let's press here. And this is the bundle ID. And it's the same with Android, com.sawi.shady. But kindly reminder, please add it from your bundle identifier, product bundle identifier. It must be the same here because the bundle identifier in your project is different than mine project. So you have to add the bundle ID of your project, not my project. So here, add the bundle ID of your project, then add the app nickname. I'm gonna name it Shady iOS, and I'm gonna press on register app. Second, we're gonna download Google service.plast. Okay, and it's gonna be in downloads here. So in downloads here. But to add it to iOS project, it's better to add it from Xcode. So here inside our VS Code, open a new terminal and just type the following. Let's first clear and type the following: exceed-b iOS, like this, to open our Xcode. Now this is our Xcode. We just need easily, as the documentations, right click and press on add files. So easily press on chat app here and press on add files to chat app. And we're gonna just add Google service info placed file, this file here, and press finish. This file here. You can also drag and drop it like this. Now we're done with this step. Let's scroll down. Now here I would like to say you a very important thing. These documentations are not updated. From React Native 75, I guess 75, the React Native team replaced Objective-C with Swift language. And Swift language is better than Objective-C. Both Swift and Objective-C are using for building iOS applications, but Swift is better. And if you see this code here, this is an Objective-C code. And this code is not gonna work with Swift file. So if you see here inside our Visual Studio Code and go to iOS folder, you're gonna see app-delegate.swift. Look, .swift, not .m. Okay, so if you are using this codes from documentations, it's not gonna work. And instead of this step, you just add the following. So here inside VS Code, just type import Firebase, like this. Import Firebase, not like this, okay? And here also, instead of Firebase app.configure, you're gonna just add the following. Just scroll down here. And before super, just add Firebase app.configure. Or you can take it from here. Here, inside Firebase documentation, if you press next and next, you can cut it from here, this line here. Just press on it to copy it and go back and add it here, like this. Firebase app.configure. And don't follow those documentations until they got updated. Okay. Now also, we have here also use framework linkage. And I want to tell you another thing. If you go to your React Native project input file, you're gonna notice that it is set in a better way than the documentations here. So no need to add this step also. Now let's go down and try to build our app. We've done with Android in previous lesson. Now it's time for iOS. First, we need to open iOS folder. So here, just open iOS folder using this command and install the bots like this. And wait until our bots are installed. Now we got here an error. The following Swift bots cannot yet integrate it as static libraries. And here's some bots. And we need to set the use modular header globally in my bot file, but when I did this, I got an error. So I'm gonna try this second option, specify module header true for particular dependency. I'm gonna make this option. So we're gonna take those bots and add the module header, set the module header to be true for them. Okay, so now let's go here inside our bot file. Here is our target. At the top of post install, here, let's add the following. Let's just type bot and add the bot name. For example, here, Firebase core internal. Just paste it here and add this modular headers. This here, modular headers true. This string, you can copy it like this and paste it like this. So you need to add those two dots. So like this. Okay, let's duplicate it and add it for the second package, Google Utilities. Now let's paste and try to install the bots again. Let's just type bot install. Great! Now our bots are installed. Now let's try to run our app. So let's go to documentations and go back, cd ... to go back, like this. And nbx React Native iOS, you can run it, or you can just easily just type yarn iOS like this to run the iOS app. Now we've run our app successfully, and since we got no error warnings here, so we've connected our app to Firebase correctly.